Hey everybody, welcome to Brunkin Outdoors. Today we're going to make a quick little video here. I found some wheels and tires for the 2000 Astro conversion van. It's currently got some questionable rims and very questionable tires. Some trailer tires all around. Definitely need to get these replaced. I am possibly going to look at trading this van, but I don't really want to give it to somebody else with these tires on it, and found a decent price for a set of tires that hopefully will look much better on this as well. So we're gonna stop over at the ATM, go meet up with this fella, and see if we can go pick up some tires for this beast and get them changed out on this coming up here in the next couple days.
Sitting in the drive, paint got scars, back seats full of takeout stars, dash is cracked and the radio's gone, but you still roll like you know where you belong. Mud on the fender, rust on the frame, still got a good name, still got the flame. I can hear you asking, what's the plan? New home waiting on the next one hand, gonna square you up, gonna lace you tight, new shoes first, then you'll feel right. New wheels, new tires, Astro van, take me higher. New wheels, new tires, roll right out to a new home fire. New wheels, new tires, yeah, roll on. Couple bucks saved, gotta make it clean. Shine that chrome so it still looks mean. One last wash.
I did not get this on film. I wish I would have. These are the wheels and tires that we went to pick up at this gas station we met the fella at. I pulled up in the Astro van and it was a little more smoky than usual. I had this little check engine light glow happening under my hood. It had collected the fluid from the leak in the power steering system. Fluid caught fire from the heat on the exhaust. That's usually what the Oklahoma Smokeshow is about, is that burning fluid off the exhaust, but this was actual burning fluid. We ran inside, asked the cashier, who could care less that we had a fire and a vehicle on fire, asked him for a fire extinguisher. We grabbed the fire extinguisher off the wall, gave it a quick little puff on that quick little fire that had popped up there, and got it put out. Guy showed up with the wheels and tires as soon as we were getting our fire put out, so we got those loaded up. Everything was good to go, and we headed on back home. All right, so wheels and tires have now been acquired, not without incident, and a show for the old folks. I pulled up in the Oklahoma Smokeshow, but the Smokeshow was a little more smoky than usual. Okay, we are going to pull into home here and see what kind of fire we have. We got the hose ready. All right, let's see if we have a fire again this time. Hello. Where? Okay, where'd you find a piece of metal? All right, well, we have no fire this time, but we have remnants of the fire extinguisher. That's good news.
Several days later.
Let's get some tires changed. These here are our nice new Steelies with caps. A little bit taller tire. You're switching these out. You see that one needs a lot of love. It is low. That is the one that fell off. It does have a lug that needs replaced. I've got all 5 to do it. Speaking of lugs, we did get our lug nuts from Lug Nut Guy. No, on Amazon. We got them on Amazon. These should work. Stay tuned. See what we get into. I'm just going to start off like any other. Loosen these lugs. I'm going to go one at a time. Changing these out. I'm just going to use my floor jack. And we'll see what we get on this. Hopefully the rims are the proper ones. Make it. I'm going to get all these loosened up.
lug nuts loosened up. Start getting some of these switched out, and I'll meet you up on the last one. Go over a few things there involving a few mistakes made. We'll pick up here in a few minutes.
All right, we've got our first one off. This is going to be our passenger front. Start there. Just show a little comparison of what we took off versus what we're putting on. This is what we took off here. As you acute viewers may notice here, those are some trailer tires. And we're going to switch over here to some destinations. A little bit older tire, but much better tread versus what we were rocking here with the trailer tires. So we're going to get these switched out. After we get them switched out, it should improve the look a little bit. Should improve the ride quite a bit more. Okay, we have made it to our last one here. We've got driver front all ready to go, looking much better. Except the problem child back here is one broken lug. And I have gotten 5 to replace it. I am going to try to just do that one for right now. You have these here. If they come out easy, I will replace the other ones real quick. If they do not, if they're giving me a fight, I'm just going to pop the one in there and keep rocking. All right, so we got our broken lug stud out. It snapped right real close to the bottom here. It actually popped out pretty easy. Got a metal punch tool and a hammer. Now I've got my new stud in here. Got some few washers. Got one of our old but new long shank lug nuts here. We're gonna try to get this lug to bike in here. I've never done this before. I have watched it on YouTube. That did. Pretty good. Like it's flush. So we got one installed. I'm gonna see if I can pop out these other ones, get them switched out. If they come out, great. If not, they stay. My baby is helping record right now. So get these switched out and we'll take a look at it when it's all done. Thanks. And there we have it. 5 new lug studs all pressed in. Let's slap this drum back on. Out with the old and with the new and take it for a test drive. And there we have it. We got all 4 tires changed out. Looking a little meaner. Sitting a little taller, a little prouder, actually on passenger tires. Got 4 1/4 lug studs changed out. Got all of our lug nuts that were on it, some of our replacement ones that we bought for the trip that were necessary at the time. So we've got these all switched out finally for matching. Steelies and caps. Looking good, looking much better than these ugly ones we had on here with one mismatched OBS saw blade. And don't forget trailer tires all around. We did rock this Pakistani truck style today with the flip-flops in our pajamas. So we will take this for a test drive, see how she rides. Call it a night from there. So if you have stayed tuned and watched to this point, I want to thank you for watching. Give a like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. Share with a friend, don't care. Like I said, we are just trying to get motivation, get things done here. If a YouTuber comes out of it, so be it. But we have a much better look on it.